What is up, gamers? It was obvious that you couldn't, or you probably couldn't see text in my last video, so today we're remastering my last video. And we're gonna be teaching you how to fly Blizzard. And hopefully the audio won't cut out and stuff. Okay, we're doing good. Okay. So hopefully the audio won't cut out and stuff. Uh, Hopefully that's not broadcasting Discord pings, but okay. So first things first, you and J will close your doors. So you J, you, and then K and L will turn on your interior and exterior lights. I think K is your interiors, I believe, and then L is your exteriors. Then you press Y, and boom, you have your engine turn on. You wait to get enough RPM, collective up. You wanna pull your mouse forward ahead of you, like this, and then you wanna equal out your helicopter. Then you can press H to hover if you need a little bit more time to correct yourself. And in hover, you can hold E to increase altitude and Q to lower your altitude. Then if you go out of hover, you're still here, and then you move your mouse downward to move forward, and then to slow down. Hopefully, if you want to slow down using a normal method, you will point your mouse up and then lower your collective using S, like that. And then you can press H to hold your helicopter into place. You can click to disable your movement from your mouse. Currently, I am enabling it, but if you see it, you click, and the little cursor thing changes back to normal, and we no longer move with my mouse. So that's awesome, right? Cool. So here we are. I'm gonna turn my graphics up a little bit. Hopefully my PC doesn't crash. I'm gonna exit hover now, and we're going to go to land. Now, landing is probably one of the hardest things to do here. Then after that, we will teach you a little bit more advanced measures here. So we're going to lower our collective. We're gonna move forward. We're gonna swing, swing. There we go. We may want to go out of hover for a second, and then you don't want to overshoot it. Biggest thing is you don't want to overshoot it, like I just did. So, anyways, yep, go out of hover to correct yourself. Make sure your mast doesn't get caught, because then your helicopter will go flying out of control. So I'm not going to try and use that measure anymore, and you can just WASD on hover, and it moves like your regular Roblox character. Then you click, and either if you're trying to land a little bit more slowly, you can hold Q and you decrease altitude. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to press H, and then I'm going to lower the collective, and you fall faster here. But as you get lower to the ground, you want to increase your collective, and then you get a softer landing. Just like that. So now we're done with that. So now we're going to go back up, and we're going to teach you how to turn. As you can see, very slowly move it, and then A and D, roll your helicopter. So say you want to fly through canyons. What you're going to do is you're going to move left. Wait, give me a minute. Okay, so I'm going to. There we go. Okay, we may be a little bit off. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to move left, and then if you want to turn, you're gonna. Oh boy, mouse horn, mouse horn. Okay, so let's slow our helicopter down real quick because that is one of the dangers you got to worry about when flying. I do not need this. Go away. Okay, so F10, F6, okay. Yeah, fun tip. You can use F10 to increase and decrease your graphics. So, anyways, you're going to move left, then hold down your D key. Then you're going to roll back left, and then you'll turn. Awesome. And then you can straighten yourself back out with D again. And then maybe you'll y'all, or no, pitch. YW, y'all. Sounds kind of weird, but yeah, pitch, which is moving your helicopter up and down. You're going to raise the pitch to a positive number, usually a steeper angle. Then you're going to turn around. You're going to D, then A, then boom. Now pull up a little bit on your helicopter, and then awesome. See? Now, I'm going to press H, and then boom. Now, we are suspended in the middle of the air. So now we're going to go to what's known as weapons. Weapons is always fun to learn. Am I right? Am I right? So anyways, weapons. You press Z to enable them. Then you can press R to rotate weapons. This only has one set of weapons here. But then you press F to fire them. We're currently firing aim 9s, I believe. Yes, aim 9s. Okay. And these, as you say, they fly out of the helicopter. Oh god. Oh god, we're about to spiral out of control. Yep, and this is an example of what not to do. See? Not very fun. Right? Okay, cool. I believe we're still going. Yep, we're still going. Okay. Awesome. So, we're going to go to. Oh, wait, I forgot. We don't have a run tool in this game. This is not PTFS. So, we are out of whatever that was. So, we're not going to go to my favorite helicopter. The AH-6 Little Bird. Awesome helicopter. Great helicopter. It's a small one. I forgot which one carries the weapons and which one doesn't. I think this one carries weapons. Bonk. Yep. No, this one does not carry weapons. Okay, nope, this is the carrier. Oh, hey. Yeah, this is a camera glitch. This happens sometimes. God. Okay. Okay. But you can click to get on the seats if you're using this, and this exact game. It's called Blizzard Testing by, wait, oops. Ignore my stupid looking avatar. Yeah, never mind. We're not gonna deal with that right now. But if you go over here, you get the attack, little bird. This bad boy. Adorable helicopter. Terrifying. As you see, it has massive missiles on it. About as tall as my Roblox character. Okay, there we go. So we are in Y engines, and then pull up on this thing, and hopefully we don't fail terribly. That is our biggest concern right now. We are picking up some RPMs here. This one is always a little bit hard to get off the ground. I don't know why. It should be pretty light. Uh, maybe. We might get off the ground. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, there we go. We are off. Oh no. Okay, yep, we're off. Okay, cool. Oh, it has a weird invisible wall somewhere around it. So, hover. Oh god. Uh, yeah, that was a bad thing, so we are off the ground at least. Wait. So currently we are in a selected mode of miniguns. As you can see, we shoot, and we have some, tracers around miniguns in 134s. Oh, then you can press R, and now we have Hydras. We are out of Hydras now. And then boom, we have our miniguns again. R, it's R. Click R, and then, okay, so now we're going to test out some more advanced movements that this helicopter can handle. Wow, look at that pretty map. You can't do this in all helicopters, but in the little bird, the center of gravity is in the cockpit. Wait, we are, this isn't exactly a good thing. Okay. So, that will conclude the tutorial to Blizzard Helicopters Remastered. I made it shorter this time. And now we are, and now it won't end spontaneously because of frame rate changes. So, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like or subscribe. If you don't want to, you can always unsubscribe. But, cool. Peace, I guess. And,